Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap Get Started. Then click OK and tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard. Tap OK again. Go back, click on Input Options and choose LED keyboard one more time. Over here you can pick keyboard that you like the best by clicking on it. Then close that. Now click on Download Theme and wait. When I go back, I can see that my keyboard was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!